Welcome, this is Peaceful Field Sanctuary. We are a vegan farmed animal sanctuary located near Winchester, Virginia, in Shenandoah area. We've been operating for about 5 years now. Our mission is to rescue and save the lives of farmed animals in need and give them a happy, healthy, forever home to come and live. As I say, we focus on farmed animals, so we have lots of chickens that are wandering around enjoying life, goats, sheep, ducks, equines, so horses and donkeys, cattle, pigs, all enjoying life and having a good time, that all have been rescued out of really bad situations of either facing death or abuse, neglect, exploitation, and are now just doing their thing and enjoying life. This type of work is important just because the need is so high there with homes for farmed animals, and there's still room for growth for rescues and sanctuaries that focus on those areas. For example, as a sanctuary, some of the top ones are roosters and pigs, where they just, to most folks, have no value whatsoever. So I probably am contacted about 3 to 4 times a week, both for roosters in need of a home as well as pigs. And unfortunately, there's just no way possible that right now us or all the other sanctuaries can keep up with the demand, and helping make our mission successful and possible, because it's like everything, it's a team and group effort, and we can't do it without our amazing supporters and people that get involved, whether that's coming here to the sanctuary and volunteering and lending a hand, or donating, contributing financially to make the work possible and provide nutrition and medical care and enrichment for all these amazing animals that are here, and make a difference in their lives.